Hey everyone, welcome back to Math Matters. Today, I'll be talking about exponents. Although exponents can be a bit confusing at first, this video will help you master them. Let's get started. So why do we use exponents? Exponents are used to show how many times a number is being multiplied by itself. For example, 2 times 2 times 2 can be written as 2 to the third power. However, it's important to remember that 2 to the third power is not the same as 2 times 3. This is a very important rule to remember whenever you are working with exponents. Now, let's learn some language regarding exponents. The bigger number in this certain scenario, which is highlighted in yellow, is known as the base number. The smaller number above the base number is called the exponent, which is highlighted in green in this case. Okay, let's work on some problems. So our first problem is 3 squared. Now, as you can see, the exponent is a 2, which means that we'll be multiplying 3 twice with itself. So that'll just be 3 times 3. And after we do some simple multiplication, we get that 3 times 3 is 9. So 3 squared is equal to 9. Another problem is 4 squared. And like above, there's a 2 in the exponent, right? The exponent is 2, so we'll just multiply 4 by itself twice, which after some simple multiplication once again is 16. Now, these are very simple problems. Let's work on some problems that are a bit more complex with cubes. So, this is 2 to the third power. And as you can see, it's different because in our exponent place we have 3. It's a pretty simple concept, except since there's a 3 in the exponent place, we'll just do 2 times itself 3 times. So we do 2 times 2 times 2. So if we do 2 times 2, we get 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. So we know that 2 to the third power is equal to 8. Our last and final problem is 5 to the third power. And whenever you have a base number to the third power, you can also call it cubed. So for example, 5 to the third power is also called 5 cubed. So for this one, like the problem before, we do 5 times 5 times 5. Now, this problem is a bit more difficult because it does use bigger numbers, but that's really not something that should be too difficult. Ultimately, it just comes down to practice, and the more you practice this concept, the easier and easier it will get. So first we do 5 times 5, which is 25. Then we do 25 times 5, and we get 125. Alright everyone, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned for more videos.